Yun! I've been looking for you everywhere.
Hana, so early? I thought you'd be late again.
Not today. I had something to tell you.
Oh, what is it?
Perfect! You both are here. Yun, about yesterday. Did you decide?
Yesterday? What are you talking about?
It was nothing important.
Not that small, Yun.
Why didn't you tell me?
I was going to tell you, but
Maybe he didn't want to tell you.
Yun?
Okay, listen. Jiwoo was helping me with a project. That's all.
That's it?
Yes, I'm just a friend, Hana.
Yun and me? What am I to you?
You are the one I wait for every single day.
Really?
Yes, really.
Good luck, both of you.